if you want to set default video playback, you need something video player. So first of all, open up your gallery. All right, now at the bottom, locate this 3 lines, right? Tap on it. Here we're gonna press our settings. Scroll down to your About Gallery tab, open it up. And now we gotta press on our version, our gallery version. So if you have any updates, update, or if you don't want, like I don't have them probably, don't do that, this doesn't really matter. All right, now let's tap on our version and tap on it many times until you'll see that Gallery Labs is enabled. Now go back to your previous tab and find your Gallery Labs. Here they are, just like developer options. Open this option and there we gotta find film strip in viewer. All right, so find this option. Here it is. Now let's turn it off. And after that, we can close the gallery application. Let's open up again and let's try to play any video. As you see, it's performed in basic and automatic video player. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.